Single day. Our team of reporters there live from different parts of the country. Let me straight away go across to Prakash at this point. Prakash, the state of affairs in the state of Bihar, and when there has already been a liquor ban that the state has been following ever since Nitish Kumar government came to power, but the state of affairs on ground, can you give us an update?
Well, the number of positive cases in Bihar seems to be rising, and the positive cases as far as the migrant laborers are concerned is also an area of concern, because the migrant laborers who came back to Bihar recently have reported 70 positive cases, and with the flux and the exodus of migrant laborers and from different parts of the country who are coming every day is a cause of concern, and this is like a volcano which may erupt in Bihar anytime soon. And I'm here at one of the area in Patna city where social workers, social organizations, following the social distancing protocol, are distributing food materials. There you can see the buses. I have with me a few people here, and I'm joined by the DGP of Bihar also. Sir, can you come this side? So the DGP of Bihar is also trying to motivate the social workers, and this is the social distancing norm that is being followed. Sir, you have come here to promote and motivate the social workers, because lockdown period has been a period of concern and period of difficulty for the poor people. How do you think that the social organizations should come up and help the poor with food material?
This is a very good initiative. Amazing. See how they are maintaining the social distance also. And I have told more than 4,000 families are being fed by this Annapurna Rasoi, which is sponsored by Bihari Mills. So I thank the proprietor of Bihari Mill. I thank all the members and the social workers who are associated with the work. We are proud of him, and we are proud of all such volunteer organizations who are coming out to help the people who are in distress. This is a very good initiative.
So migrant labor, they are coming to Bihar. How many trains are coming to Bihar today, and what is the area of concern with the rise in positive cases now among the migrant laborers as well?
It's a very challenging follow for us, because you don't have exact figure how many laborers are coming. So more than 30 lakh migrant laborers are there outside Bihar. They are spread all over India in different parts of the country, and they are coming now. So we are expecting more than 10 lakhs, and it's a real challenge for us. So first they come, they are welcome at the border of the state, then they are offered food, everything, and they are taken to their respective blocks. There, after screening, they are quarantined over there, and after 20 days of this quarantine period is over, they are supposed to go home safely, so that they are safe, their family is safe, village is safe, mahalla is safe, town is safe, Bihar is safe. So I request all these laborers, migrant laborers, they are really in distress, they are very frustrated, they had faced a lot of problems out of their state. So we are ensuring that when they arrive over here, they should not face any problem. So government has done all necessary arrangement for them. My only appeal to them is, please follow the protocol. Don't quarrel, don't fight with police, administrations or medical staff over here. Just follow the instructions which are given to you, and you spend your time coolly in the quarantine center, and then after 21 days, you reach your home safely.
आपने पहले भी कहा है कि ये पीरियड बहुत क्रूशियल है बिहार को बचाने के लिए.
बहुत क्रूशियल इसलिए है कि हमारे लाखों की संख्या में लेबर आ रहे हैं. अब हमारे लेबर भाई को पता नहीं कि रास्ते में कहाँ किससे वो मिल गए, कहाँ उनको संक्रमण हो गया. ये किसी को हो सकता है. आप देखिए, जब देश के इतने बड़े किसी जस्टिस को हो सकता है और उससे मौत हो सकती है, हम लोगों के लिए कितनी अलार्मिंग बात है. तो हमको हो सकता है, आपको हो सकता है, कोई भी जो असावधानी बरतेगा किसी को भी हो सकता है. इसलिए बचना है, बचाना है. अब लाखों में लोग आ रहे हैं, उसमें 1000 आदमी में भी अगर इन्फेक्शन हुआ, ये गांव-गांव में जाएंगे, जिस गांव में जाएंगे वहाँ ये फैल जाएगा, फिर बिहार एक्सप्लोसिव हो जाएगा. इसलिए हाथ जोड़ करके मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ तमाम श्रमिक भाइयों से, मजदूर भाइयों से, जो बिहार आ रहे हैं, छात्र से, छात्राओं से, कि आपकी पीड़ा, आपकी तकलीफ को बहुत बढ़िया से हम लोग समझते हैं, पूरी सहानुभूति है. लेकिन जब यहाँ आए तो यहाँ के नियम का पालन करके और हमारा सहयोग करते हुए क्वारंटाइन सेंटर में 21 दिन रहने के बाद सुरक्षित ही अपने घर को लौट.
सरकार ने ऐलान किया कि पैसा भी देंगे.
सरकार ने तो बहुत कुछ किया. सरकार ने तो 200 करोड़ रुपए झोंक दिए खजानों में. खजाने से निकाल कर, किसके लिए? बिहार से बाहर जो प्रवासी मजदूर फंसे हुए थे, आने के पहले 200 करोड़ रुपया निकाल करके डाल दिया उनके खाते में। यहाँ जो आएंगे उनको आदर के साथ,
Yes,
सम्मान
प्रकाश।
के साथ हम ले जाएंगे, क्वारंटाइन करेंगे, उनका टेस्ट करके जब सेफली अपने घर जाने लायक होंगे हो जाएंगे, उनको 1000 रुपया भी देंगे, उनके आने जाने का भाड़ा भी देंगे। सरकार ने सब व्यवस्था किया, फ्री राशन, खाना पीना सब लोगों के लिए।
आई एम ज्वाइंड बाय वन ऑफ द सोशल वर्कर ऑल्सो। आप ये जो पिछले 1 महीने से बांट रहे हैं, तो कितने घरों में अभी तक बांट चुके हैं?
पिछले 25 मार्च से हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था इसको। इनिशियल हम लोग 4000 परिवारों को लेके चले थे, लेकिन मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था कि हम लोग का 20,000 पे काम हो रहा था। अभी हम लोग 20,000 परिवारों को चौथा किस्त, 4th इंस्टॉलमेंट अभी हम लोग देना शुरू कर दिए हैं 20,000 परिवारों को। एंड दिस माई सन Vivek is looking after that. He is professionally managing all these things.
So there we have social organization
There, especially when it comes to the movement of migrant laborers.
And the DGP of Bihar coming here to motivate people.
Yes.